Hey guys, today I'm here making a vlog just using my drone at my grandma's house. So yeah, this is going to be a very cool video. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what it can do. So yeah, now I'll just make it take off. That didn't go very well. I wish I could put my camera onto my drone, but my drone is too small, so it won't work. So just take my drone, and I want to show you guys something cool. Oh God. Okay, look at this. And this is a real drone, it's not editing. Okay, let's do some more cool stuff with this. So let's make this go into the camera. Sorry about that. Okay, where was I? Oh yes, going into the camera. You saw that, it hit it a bit. Okay. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Want proof this is a real drone? Well, here it is. I'm holding it. I'm hitting it with my head. And I'm not even good enough to edit this. So, oh God! Okay. Let's do something else with the drone. Okay, here. I'm gonna make it take off again. If you're wondering where I am, just like I told you before, I'm at my grandma's house, so yeah. Don't make comments like that. Just ask me, where are you, Ollie? I'm at my grandma's house. So yeah. Oh yeah, so let's go. I hope that was cool. So yeah, this is probably gonna end the video for today. So please like this video for more drone flying. Bye!